Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the additional of Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, January the 21st, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. And this will be number 9947. 9947. Yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars for 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes. For a 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. How about the 6? Yeah, a lot of 6s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 in this column, 6 in the 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left. The 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 9, 9. Then, let me see which number. 1, 1. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left with 7 in this big square. Shoot me down. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next on the last column. The only place left is 7. Shoot me down. Need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Then cannot continue with the 7 now. I need to wait. And 4 here, I need 4 there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. In the last column, one of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with a 4 in the last column should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column. The only place left with 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so no row 3. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next on that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. 9, okay. Now, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, okay. Then 7. Need a 2, 2, 2, 2. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8. Okay. Let me think. Come on. Two, 7, and the 4. I need a 2, 7, and 4. I need a 4, 4. Okay. How about 8? Need an 8 here. Okay, in this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. That means in the middle row, we need an 8. Middle row, we need an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. So the 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes. But here can be an 8 because we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there then. Then, let me see. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 8. Come on. Need a 2. So 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between now only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and we have a pair, I believe. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row, no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 and a 4 in the second row, no 1 and a 4 in that box. The 1 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5. We have a pair again in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Ditch number 1, number 9. Okay. How about 7 here? Yeah. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Come on. 1 box left now in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I need 8 here. Two missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 7 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 5 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Okay. Then let me see. Need a 7. Come on. 2 missing numbers now in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a pair here, 1 and the 4 in this column. That means 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3, 3, 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 and 8, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with a 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4, the 7, 4, the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 12 minutes. Wow. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.